for everyone for turning up promptly as well. On that, Tony's gone through the housekeeping, but feel free to help yourselves to tea, coffee, water at the back throughout the day. We're looking at a morning break around 10:15, 10-minute break from the feedback Tony had. Claire, am I right with my lunch timings, or have they changed? 12 o'clock?
12. Yeah.
12 o'clock lunch, and then we'll have an afternoon break. I've done quite a few of these workshops. The afternoon break we may have to shelve due to timings. Things tend to overrun, and we're looking at a finish at 3 o'clock. If you do want to answer your phones, feel free, just go outside. We know the world still evolves around this workshop, so just go outside and feel free to. And the toilets, where are they? I know, Scott, you've been to the toilets. Are they just out?
Yeah, come out the door, turn left, and then the toilets are just there.
On the right-hand side.
Perfect. So, introductions. What we'll go through, I'll do a brief introduction of myself, and then I want audience engagement, so I'm not going to put you on the spot, but just a brief introduction, who you are, where you're from, and whether you're an ADI, PDI, that's all it is. But a bit about myself. Like Tony said, I'm Faisal. I was in DVSA for 15 years, started in, 2004-5 at Pinner Test Centre, Northwest London. Good to see Northwest London representing me there in the corner. On that, was a normal car examiner, and then I started to do Part 2s and 3s in 2007, standards checks, and then I became the supervising examiner. Back then it was called the Driver Training Assessment Manager, DTAM, where I was responsible for people doing Part 2s, 3s, and the old check test, as you know. I was a trainer at Cardington. I used to train our ABI examiners, so occasional staff instructor, so since 2009, and training the local driving test centre manager supervision courses. I was qualified to do fleet, audit, Part 2s, 3s, standards checks, car tests, and delegated examiner duties where you went to the police and the fire service and doing audits and stuff like that. I can't think of anything else. That's enough about me. So 15 years, and then I decided to leave in August, and I was responsible for a team of 11 examiners in this area, which was Area 5, North, East London, West London, and East Anglia. What I'd like you to do is just share a bit about yourself. We'll start with Hassan, who's a latecomer. Punishment for him.